Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. The 10th straight increase comes amid expectations of higher consumer prices for the rest of the year and beyond. The European Central Bank, ECB, announced the 10th consecutive increase in base interest rates, potentially marking the latest step in a series of efforts to bring inflation back to target. European policymakers raised interest rates by 1/4 point on Thursday, raising the closely watched benchmark to 4%, the highest level since the euro was introduced in 1999. The rate was at a record low of -0.5% just 14 months ago, meaning Eurozone banks across the Eurozone have had to pay to deposit cash safely with the regulator. The latest price increase came shortly after the ECB report revised up its macroeconomic forecast for the Eurozone, predicting average inflation of 5.6% in 2023 compared to the previous forecast of 5.4% and 3.2% next year compared to the previous forecast of 3%. At the same time, the report adjusted the medium-term forecast down from 2.2% to 2.1%. Inflation continues to decline but is likely to remain too high for an extended period, the regulator said in a statement. The Executive Council is committed to ensuring that inflation returns to the 2% target promptly over the medium term. The EU is struggling to combat soaring inflation across the bloc, fueled by soaring energy prices. The ECB began its sharpest rate hike cycle on record in July 2022, after sanctions on Moscow sent gas prices soaring and cut most trade between Russia and the bloc. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.